Hello and thanks for joining School of the American Rifle. Today's video is going to be a quick one. Just unbox this upper receiver for a student. It's going to be building one in a class. And this upper receiver, 10-inch XM177. It's a retro upper. And just looking at the upper receiver, try to get this in focus, we have our front sight alignment gauge in here. And if we go to the front, try to get it focused, we are way off. The needle is pointing to the very left edge of the front sight post, and the front sight base is way off if you look down from the top of it. So I may have to do some corrections with some oversized 2/0 taper pins to get this to properly align. But before we even do that, let's look at the alignment of the barrel extension. We can't see in there, but as you probably see me use in other videos, I'm going to take this Midwest URR, I'm going to put it in here, and it will not seat into the extension because the barrel is clocked. It's rotated in the upper receiver. So not only do we have a misaligned front sight base, but we also have a clocked barrel extension. I did check headspace on it real quick as soon as I unboxed it. Headspace does pass, but this thing has some problems out of the gate. Some people will be like, well, just run it, bro. Well, if that's your mindset, you're probably watching the wrong channel right now. But I'm not sure if I'm going to reach out to PSA, H&R, and see what they want to do. Don't have good experience with them when it comes to them acknowledging problems with stuff, so I may just fix it myself so the student will have a solid upper to build on in class. We don't always have time to do things like reaming 2/0 taper pins, but before I even touch the front sight base, I'm going to have to try to see if maybe just the barrel nut is just grillet on there, and that's why things are misaligned, and maybe they didn't use the right jig to hold things in place. So I'm going to put the right jig in here. I'm not going to show this on this video, but just wanted to show you guys that got to check your stuff. As always, I hope you found this video educational, and thanks for watching.